Hi, in this video I am going to show you how I do stranded color work from the wrong side. So here I have my green and beige yarn, and I am working from the wrong side, and I want my strands to all stay here on the wrong side. And to do that, I just make sure that each time I work a stitch, I begin by bringing my needle behind both yarns like this. And I pick up the stitch and the yarn with the color I need, and I purl. And now you can see that the green yarn is still here on the wrong side. So I go behind both yarns, pick up the stitch I want, and I purl. And when I want to pick up the green yarn, I still try to keep yarns on the wrong side here with me. I go back behind it, pick up the green yarn, and I have the beige yarn here on the wrong side. Now continue. And if I want to pick up the yarn floats from the wrong side, if I'm going now to make a lot of beige stitches, I want to pick up the green yarn. And what I do then is that I begin in the same way, and when I have picked up the stitch, I go around both yarns like this, and then I pick up the beige one and bring it through the stitch. Now you can see I have twisted the beige yarn around the green one, so that when I make the next stitch, I only pick up the beige yarn, and there you have it. So I always keep the yarn on the wrong side when I work the stitches. If I wish to pick up the yarn float from the yarn I hold closest to me. So now if I want to pick up the green yarn and twist this one, I do not go underneath as I did before. I go over here, and there you can see I do the same thing to the beige yarn. And no yarn floats on the right side. So that is how I do it. I hope it's helpful to someone. Thank you so much for watching.